Good morning. I'm going to talk about the pyramid of life. Life is structured from subatomic particle all the way to blue whale. Everything is structured. Although life is different from non life, it is not completely different. Living things exist in a non living universe and depend on it in many ways. From plants absorbing energy from sunlight to bats finding shelter in caves. Indeed, living things are made up of same tiny particles, subatomic particles that make up non-living things. What makes organisms different from the materials that compose them is their level of organization. Living things exhibit not just one but many layers of biological organization. This tendency toward order is sometimes modeled in a pyramid of life. In the pyramid of life, each level has structures that are large and more complex than those below it. The structures on each level contain those below it. For example, an organ contains tissues, which contain cells. But organs do not contain organisms. Rather, it is the organism that contains organs. So, the pyramid of life is a pyramid of increasing complexity until one reaches to the top, the entire biosphere, or the region of Earth that contains life. The pyramid levels are at the bottom, number one, subatomic particle. It is a unit of matter such as a proton, electron, or neutron that can compose atoms. The second, atoms, a larger unit of matter that can compose even larger unit of matter that can compose even larger units called molecules. So now molecules, the third level. A molecule is the smallest part of a substance that still has the chemical identity of the substance. For example, a water molecule still behaves like water, but it broken into its constituents, one oxygen and two hydrogen atoms. Then comes the fourth level, known as the organelle, a structure within a cell made up of molecules and having a specific task. For example, a lysosome breaks down food of foreign particles. Number five, cell, a smaller structure in the pyramid of life that can be called alive. It contains organelles and uses them to pursue such biological activities as reproduction, growth, and metabolism. Then comes tissue. In multicellular organisms, a collection of cells that are similar in structure and work together to perform a particular function. Xylem in a leaf, for example, is a plant tissue that transports water and minerals from the soil upward from the roots. Number seven, organ, a part of an organism that joins two or more kinds of tissues to perform specific functions. The human heart, the organ that pumps blood, consists of muscle as well as other tissues. Then comes organ system, number eight, a group of organs that carries out a major activity. For example, the human circulatory system containing the heart, blood vessels, and other components transports materials throughout the body. Then comes number nine, organism, an individual living system, such as a bacterium or a whale, capable of basic biological activities such as reproduction, growth, and metabolism. Then comes number 10, population, a group of organisms of the same species living in one area at one time. All the monkeys in India are its populations of monkeys. Number 11, community. A group of animal and plant populations such as lions, monkeys, antelopes, grasses, and trees living and interacting together in the same area. Then comes number 12, ecosystem. A community and its non living or physical environment, including soil, water, air, climate, and energy. The living and the non living interacting together is called ecosystem. The last is known as number 13, biosphere. The entire region on or near Earth's surface in which life can be found, comprising seas, caves, skies, and land. It is the sum of all Earth's ecosystem. So that is the story of the pyramid of life. Thank you.